Hey guys! Welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to set up a new accounting system using Zoho Books. So let's get started. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a complete accounting setup with Zoho Books, a powerful tool that helps you manage your finances and streamline your business operations. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Books website by typing in zoho.com/books. Once the homepage loads, click the Sign In button at the top right. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one before moving forward. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Zoho Books dashboard, which is your central hub for managing invoices, expenses, and overall financial activity. To start setting up your organization, click on your profile at the top right and select Organizations from the drop-down menu. Zoho Books allows you to manage multiple organizations under one account, which is ideal if you run more than one business or department. Next, click the Manage button to view your existing organizations or set up a new one. To begin, select New Organization. Here, you'll enter your organization's basic details, including the name, location, and financial information. Be sure to provide accurate information, as this ensures your accounting system runs smoothly and remains compliant. Take your time filling out all the fields carefully. A well-configured accounting system is crucial for tracking cash flow, monitoring expenses, and making informed business decisions. Once your organization is set up, Zoho Books gives you a fully functional system that is tailored to your business needs, allowing you to stay organized and efficient. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.